Hello developers, in this video we will discuss about Object.freeze method and Object.seal method. So comes to Object.freeze method. So it prevents any modifications to an object, making it immutable. So let's discuss it with some example. Firstly, create a person object, name, say Ram, age 11. Now we will use Object.freeze method. Okay, Object.freeze. We need to apply freeze on this person object. So, write person here. Now this freeze method has make the person immutable. Okay, so now it is immutable because of freeze method. So now it will prevent any modifications to the object. Now we will not be able to modify the object. Okay, let's try to modify it. Say person dot name, say Kashish. Okay, and person dot age is equals to 22. Okay, so now do console person. So can you guess what will be the output here? Let's write in the terminal. Output will be same as it was earlier, like same name, RAM and age 11. This is because we have used freeze method, and freeze makes it immutable. So we will not be able to modify the object. Okay, so any attempt to change or add the new properties will not work. The object remains unchanged with the same properties only. So this is the concept of freeze method in JavaScript. Now we will jump to seal method. So in seal method, it prevents or adding or removing properties but allow modifications of existing properties. Okay, so in seal method, we can modify the existing properties, but we cannot add or remove other properties. Some more properties we cannot add, and we cannot remove the existing properties in the Object.seal method. So let's discuss it with example. So we will use the same example, const person. Okay, now we will use Object.seal method. Okay, on person object. So now we will try same this thing, person.name and person.age. Console log person. So can you guess the output here? Will it work or not? We have used seal method here. Okay, so in this case it will work because we can modify the existing properties, but we cannot add or remove. Okay, so now it is working. Okay, output is this, and let's say if we want to add some new property to this object, say person dot say country first to India. Will it work? Let's see. As we have just discussed, it will prevent adding or removing properties, so it will not work. We got only this thing. Let's console it again. So it didn't work. We got only name and age property. but we haven't got this country property added to the object because we have used seal method, which prevents adding or removing properties but only allows modification of existing properties. So we have discussed freeze method and seal method